Hey Body Mode Gang, what's going on today? I decided to do a meal prep and show you guys how I will be eating for the week. It's going to be a little bit of vegan and a little bit of vegetarian. I do have some tofu. The one I do have in the container is the cube super firm tofu, but it came in a package like this. I got it from our supermarket, Publix. It was 2 for $5, so that's pretty cheap. And then I have some basmati rice that I'm going to add for the side. Peppers, I do like peppers. Since this was already cut, I decided to use the rest of the red pepper. And I have some zucchini and some squash. And I'm going to cut those up and put those in the oven. The rice is already cooking. And I also have some mixed potatoes to add into it. So I'm going to mix all that together except for the rice. And then I do have cornbread, so I might have cornbread. But other than that, let me go ahead and show you guys this quick meal prep that I have. Stay tuned and let's go. Alright, Body Mode, welcome back. The zucchini and the squash is complete. As you can see, I've already got these laid out inside of the containers. This pan is hot, so I'll just go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients to the bowls. Try not to burn myself though. So I'm going to add a little bit of this and there, a little bit of that, a little bit of this and that, everywhere. I let the zucchini and the squash cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. It didn't take that long, so I hope this is good. If not, then I'll let you guys know midweek. I'm like, that stuff was nasty. So as you can see, the peppers only went to, well, a little bit there, but only on these 3. So that's fine. And I'll keep that separate, and these I'll just mix in together. Ouch. And there you have it. I have some good old 5-day meal prep. Simple, easy, healthy, good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. And you guys Tuesday. Peace out.